Assalamu alaikum. Oxford New Countdown Book 7 Lecture number 2. Students, open page number 8. Cardinal number of a set. The number of elements of a set is called its cardinal number. For example, look at this set. It has 3 members. Then the cardinal number of this set is 3. Symbols used in sets. There are some symbols, meanings, or they are equal to, and these are examples. First symbol is equal. These two sets are equal. When the sets have same members, they are called equal sets. But the members should be exactly same. Their order can be changed. For example, इसमें 1 2 5 और इसमें 5 1 2. Members exactly same हैं. Order change हो जाए कोई मसला नहीं है. But the members should be exactly same. Equal set. This is not equal set because it is 1 to 5 and it is 1 to 4. So the members are different. It is not equal. Belongs to. 3 belongs to 1 to 3. Does not belong to. 3 does not belong to this set. This symbol means empty set. Is a proper subset of. For example, this is the bigger set and this is a smaller set derived from this set. Subset जो है वो super set से निकलता है. उसके all the members belong to the super set. लेकिन अगर super set जो है उसमें members ज़्यादा हो और subset में कम से कम एक member कम हो, then it is a proper subset. Is not a proper subset because B is not derived from A. B has members 0 and 4. It is not a subset of A. Is a subset of, or also an improper subset of. When the two sets are equal, B is derived from A, but B has same number of elements as the superset, then they are called improper subset. Equivalent sets. When each member of a set matches one and only one member of the other set, there is 1-to-1 correspondence between the sets, between the two sets. For example, ये देखिए ये बच्चे हैं और हर बच्चे के पास एक अपनी काइट है, हर बच्चे की एक काइट है, तो ये 1-to-1 correspondence है. For example, ये सेट है A is equal to 1 2 3, B is equal to 7 14 and 21. 1 matches with 7, 2 matches with 14 and 3 matches with 21. So this is 1-to-1 correspondence and it is called equivalent sets. Sets that cannot be paired in 1-to-1 correspondence are called non-equivalent sets. जिनको इस correspondence में नहीं show कर सकते, they are non-equivalent. One thing to remember students is that equal sets वो होते हैं जिनमें same elements should be same, एक जैसी होनी चाहिए, और इक्विवेलेंट सेट्स में सिर्फ नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट सेम होनी चाहिए, बेशक वो अलग-अलग हो सकती है. Operations on sets. Union of sets. A set containing all the elements of A and B is called the union set of set A and set B. So you should remember this thing, all the elements. Union means all the elements. When you have to do union, you have to write all the elements of the sets. Intersection of sets. A set containing the common elements of A and B is called the intersection set of set A and set B. So we have to, in intersection, we have to write the elements that are present in both the sets, same in both the sets. Non-empty sets that have no members in common are called disjoint sets. Difference of sets. The difference set of any two sets A and B is the set of the elements of set A which are not in set B. So if we are finding difference of A and B, so difference of the set A and B means A minus B. All the elements of A that are not in B. So in this way 2 and 3 are cancelled out and 0 and 1. The elements of set A that are not present in set B. Universal set. A set containing all the elements under consideration is called a universal set. Universal set वो set होता है जिसमें तमाम छोटे sets की elements मौजूद होती हैं. It is the biggest set. Complement of a set. If a set A is a subset of a given universal set, then the set of elements not in A is called its complement set. It is basically universal set minus A. Complement of a set is basically a universal set minus A.